Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel VBA Automation Tutorial Point. If you are new on this channel, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to get the updated videos. So guys, in this video we will learn or we will talk about that how to upload or insert data from Excel sheet to SQL Server database table, right? So without wasting my time, I'm going to write or I'm going to show you the code, right? Here's right. So here is the code. Actually I have already written to code to save your time. So here is the data, right, which is exist in sheet 1 in my Excel workbook, right? So here is the data, that is employee name, employee ID and employee address, right? And here is my SQL Server database, right? And here is my database, that is my database. And here I have a table that is employee details. So in this table I need to upload data from Excel sheet. So first time execute this query. So now you can see that there is no data in this table before execute the code, right guys? So now I'll show you the code that how to upload or how to insert the data from Excel to SQL Server database table. So first you need to add the library, that is Microsoft ActiveX Data Object 2.8 library if you are using Excel 10, right? Microsoft Excel 10. Okay, so here I have declared a two just object, that is CNT as a ADODB dot connection, and here I have declared a one more, that is RST as a ADODB dot record set to get the record set from the database. Here I have declared a string, that is SQL command, and here I have declared a one object type of worksheet. Here I have set the worksheet from where just I upload the data. So in sheet 1 I have the data. So here I have set my connection, and here I have set my record set, and here I have just written the SQL driver name, which is just Microsoft provided to us to just make the connection between Excel and SQL Server. So here you need to write your SQL server name, right? And here you need to write your database name, right? So here you can see that my SQL server name is this, right? Desktop RIP as something like that, right? And here my database name, right? That is my database name. So in my database, here I have a table that is employee details. So I have opened the connection, and here I have applied the for loop to insert the data from record row number 2 to 18. Now you can see that in the Excel. Here I have a data from which start from row number 2 and it's end in row number 18. So here you can see that I have run the SQL query, that is insert into table name, and here I have written the columns, that is employee name, employee ID and employee address, and here I have insert the value, that is which comes from the Excel sheet, that is sst.cell. I have given the reference of the column 1, column 2 and column 3, right? You can see that. And here I have execute the SQL command, and here I have just increment my loop. So it automatically just insert the data one by one until the loop gets finished. I know that we have another approach as well to store the data from Excel to SQL Server, but for now I am using just this approach. So guys, once it's so now once it's done, so it automatically upload the data in SQL Server database. So now what I'll do is I'll execute the code and show you the output. So for this message box done. VB information. Now what I'll do is I'll simply execute the code and show you the output. Yes, it's executed. Now I know that it takes some just time. It's a worst approach to download sorry to just upload the data. I have another approach as well. So now you can see that. Now what I'll do is I'll simply refresh my database. Okay. Okay, now I'm execute this command. Now you can see that here my data is come, right, successfully, right? So guys, if you have any concern, any queries, right, just while you are connecting with the SQL server, or while you are updating, or while you are just getting the data from SQL server to the Excel, so just please write your comment in the comment box. I'll get back to you on that, guys. So guys, thank you, thanks for the watching.